Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by placing the clip on the timeline and centering the playhead where you want the first incision. Once done, press B to switch to the blade tool or choose blade from the toolbar. This gives you direct control. Make a single click to cut at the playhead, and for multiple cuts, drag across tracks. Make sure to zoom in for frame accuracy and toggle snapping if you want cuts to lock to edit points. This reduces small timing errors. Next, refine complex edits by using blade at playhead to cut all stacked clips simultaneously, which is faster when syncing multicam or layered audio. If you need precision, create a range selection and then invoke blade to cut only that area. This prevents accidental edits outside your focus. Once pieces are separated, switch back to select A to nudge, ripple delete, or slip segments. Make sure to watch linked audio/video indicators so you don't break sync unintentionally. To finish, clean cut edges with the trim or roll tools for smooth transitions, and join segments into compound clips if you want grouped edits. Once done, reconnect B-roll or audio using Connect so your timeline stays organized and easier to adjust. If a blade cut ends up misaligned, immediately hit undo. If the issue persists, enable snapping and realign to the playhead for frame-perfect placement. One key
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.